In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method to make $700 per day using just Google Translate. That's up to $100 per hour. And here's the best part. You don't need any special skills, no writing blogs, and no transcript works. This method is straightforward and completely free. All you need is internet connection and a PayPal account to get started. Now, let's break it down. You don't get paid hourly. Instead, you get paid in 1 hour intervals. So let's do the math. $700 per day means $100 per hour. And if you stick with it just 7 hours a day, you could be making up to $700 daily. Sound good, right? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I post realistic, actionable ways to make money online that anyone can do. Don't miss out a method that could change the game for you. Now let's jump right into it. Google Translate. The Google Translate. I know what you are thinking, seriously, Google Translate. But hear me out, it's not just for translating random sentences or impressing someone with how to say, I like tacos. In Spanish, by the way, it's me gustan los tacos. To get started, just head over to Google, type Translate and click the link. That will bring you to the Innovation Google Translate website. Super straightforward. Once you are there, you see this simple interface where you can pick the language you want to translate from and into. For example, let's say you want to translate hello into Spanish. Tap hello on the left and boom, Hola pop-ups on the right. Is like having a language expert in your pocket. But today, we are going to use this tool for something way cooler than just basic translation. We are talking about creating a system where these tools help you make money. Stick with me, it's going to blow your mind. So here's where the real fun begins. I want to introduce you to one of my all-time favorite websites for making money online, CPA Grips. If you never heard it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it to earn cash with minimal effort. CPA Grips works on a simple concept. You get access to affiliate links, and every time someone interacts with your link, whether by clicking it, entering the email, or filling out a form, you get paid. It's like commission-based marketing, but way simpler. Here's the best part. CPA Grips plays through PayPal, which is available almost everywhere. If you can get a PayPal account, you are already set to make money. Registering on CPA Grips is super easy. All you need is your name, email address, a username, and a password. And that's it. If you're not sure about the sign-up process, I have covered it step by step in another video, but trust me, you figure it out in no time. Once you are logged in, you see a dashboard filled with live stuff of people making insane amount of money. I am talking 30K, 50K and beyond. It's motivating, intimidating at the same time. But remember, those are regular people like you and me who just figured out how to make the system work for them. Finding high pay offers. Now that you are in, let's talk about picking the right offers. This part is crucial because not all offers are created equal. Some pays as little as $2 while others can go as high as $30 or more per lead. Here where most people go wrong. They stick to offers targeted at USA audiences because they all assume that's where the money is. And while the USA market is lucrative, it's also crowded. That's why we are taking a different approach, targeting countries with less competition but higher payout. For example, let's look at Spain. By switching my offer setting to Spain, I find offers paying around $30 per lead. Compare that to $2 offers in the US. And you can see why this strategy is such a game changer. Why are payouts so high in Spain? It's simple. Fewer people are promoted there because they don't speak Spanish and don't know how to target non-English speaking audiences. That's where Google Translate comes in to save the day. Creating your affiliate link. Let's say we pick an offer in Spain. One I found is paid $30 every time someone entered the phone number fortune to win a solo generator. Sound pretty easy, right? And it is. To get your affiliate link, click on the offer in CPA Grips, choose a tracking domain and generate your link. Now, those links can be long and not so pretty. Imagine someone seeing a random URL. you're not going to click it. So here's what to do. Head over to bit.ly.com, paste your affiliate link into the URL shortener, and Bit.ly will give you a cleaner, polished version of your link. You can even customize it to make it look more appealing, like solar wind spin or something catchy. This step's small but super important. Driving traffic to your link. Now comes the $1 million question. How do we get people to click in? This is where the magic of targeting and strategy comes into play. We are focusing on spend, so our marketing material need to be in Spanish. Open up Google Translate again and type something like "win a free solar generator." Translate it into Spanish, and now that you have got your headline, save it. You use this for your ad. Next, head over to trafficadbar.com, a site that can drive guaranteed traffic to your link. Here's the deal. Traffic ad bar promises to send at least 1,000 visitors to your link. Think about that. If just 10% of those visitors complete the offers, that's 100 leads. Multiply that by $30 per lead, and you are looking at nearly $3,000. Even if only 10 people complete the offer, you are still making $300. And the best part, it takes less than 10 minutes to set up. Crafting your ad copy. On Traffic Ad Bar, you will paste your Bit.ly link and use the Spanish translation we are created early as your ad copy. For example, something like Ghana on generator solar gratis. Make sure it's clear, concise, and attention grabbing. Set your ad to target spend and save it. The platform will care of the rest by placing your ad across its network. Every time someone clicks your link and complete the offers, you earn money. It's simple as that. Pro tips, guys. Always double check the detail of the offer you are promoting. In this case, the offer asks for a phone number, but some might require an email and another action. Knowing the specific ensures your ad copy aligns perfectly with what the audience needs to do. Maximizing result with additional tools. Now, if you want to take things up a notch, consider experimenting with other traffic sources. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok are goldmine for free organic traffic. Create a short video in Spanish. Google Translate can help with the script, and add your Bit.ly link in the caption or bio. Another trick, use forums or niche community. For example, search for Spanish language group or forum related to solar energy or sustainable living. Share your offer in a way that adds value. Like, hey, I found this tools giveaway for a solar generator through this group, might appreciate it. By diversifying your traffic sources, you not just rely on one method, you are creating multiple streams of potential leads. The bigger picture. Let's pause for a moment and talk about what this all means. The numbers are exciting. $2,800 for a few hours of work sounds fantastic. But beyond the money, this process teaches you something valuable: resourcefulness. When I first discovered CPA grips, I was skeptical. The idea of earning money online felt too good to be true. But I gave it a shot, and what I realized is that success does not come from doing something groundbreaking. It comes from executing simple strategies consistently. And yeah, there were moments of doubt, like what if nobody clicked my links? Or what if this does not work? But here's the thing, you don't need perfection to start. You just need to start. Every ad you run, every trick you make bring you closer to figure out what works for you. Rinse and repeat. Here's the beauty of this system. It's scalable. Once you have set up one successful campaign, you can replicate the process for other countries, language, or offers. For example, if Spain works well for you, why not try targeting France next? Switch your offer setting to French and CPA Greeks. Use Google Translate to create French ad copy and run a similar campaign. The possibilities are endless. The more you experiment, the more you learn about what resonates with different audiences. And over time, you build a system that practically runs on autopilot. Lesson learned along the way. Before we wrap this up, I want to share a quick personal insight. When I started experimenting with methods like this, I was not just looking for ways ways to make money. I was looking for freedom. The freedom to work on my own terms, to control my schedule, and to build something that felt truly mine. What surprised me the most was not the money. It was the confidence I gained from figuring it out. Every small win, every dollar earned was proof that I could make this work. And if I can do it, so can you. The journey won't always be smooth, but that's part of the process. Some campaigns might flop, some days you might feel like giving up, but remember that every step forward, no matter how small it is, it brings you closer to your goal. Now, if you like to learn money posting motivational video on YouTube, make sure to click this one. Make $600 per day posting motivational video on YouTube. Easy side hustle. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like it and share it so that way it can get out to more people that need it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.